Hello again, this is Jeff from Waygate Technologies, and I'm here to show you how to perform a simple point-to-line 3D phase measurement using our new MVIQ Plus video probe. Here we go. Hit the 3D capture button. Let the machine put its structured light on the indication. When the measurement feature comes up, we hit that key and choose point to line. I'm going to place those three cursors, 1, 2, 3, very quickly, move my measurement results out of the way, and refine my cursors. Top line, look at my zoom window here to see if I place my cursor properly. Bottom point, move that cursor, in the red, not good. I can use this zoom window to move it. Come on now. There we go. And my final cursor. And that looks good to me. I've got an indication of 0.150, but am I finished? No, I am not. I always want to use the views key to look at the point cloud. Now, I'm going to look to see if this blue box, my measurement plane, is congruent with my blade. Yes, it is. Very nice. I'm going to zoom in to look at the quality of my point cloud. It's very smooth, very nice. And even though my MTD, which is how far my probe is away from the object, is 0.853 and might be a little high in some instances, this point cloud looks beautiful. So I'm going to trust my measurement at 0.150, and that's really all there is to it. Simple, fast, accurate. That's all there is. Thanks, guys. Till next time.